Guys, good morning and welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. In this video we are at Tropical Park. They are having a huge car event and we came here specifically to meet up with Alex. Now he has a pretty cool Volkswagen Beetle. We're gonna meet up with him, do a quick video of his car. I was hoping for him to take us on a ride, but since we're doing this in the middle of the car event, I don't think that's gonna be possible. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. Welcome to the official Generation Old School YouTube channel. In this channel we post videos of old school cars and trucks. We meet with classic cars enthusiasts just like you to bring you the adventures you deserve. Not only we review each classic custom car in detail, but bring you the history and background of each vehicle. We also go on a street ride and test the vehicle's ability to perform above and beyond. If you like this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow us on social media at Generation Old School on Instagram. Guys, this is gonna be a great video. We're not even inside the car show yet, and I see beautiful cars all around. Well guys, now is the time that you guys have been waiting for. Let's go look for Alex, the owner of the Big W, and do a quick video with him.
This is my 1964 Beetle. It's static on a 4-inch narrow beam in the front, 5-inch drop plates in the rear. I have an 8.5-inch wheel in the rear on 195 tires, all white walls all around. My interior is from a 1973 Porsche Turbo. It was all done by my good friends at E3 Customs. They did great. I have all complete pop-out Safari window kit from Loose Nut on IG. You can check him out. He does great work, all chrome everything. All the trim on the car has been completely redone. The car was sprayed and clear after it was found in Arizona, sitting in a barn for about 20 years or so. Everything that you can imagine on the car is fairly new. I just kept the paint as original as possible and tried to maintain it by clearing it. JL Audio's music system, marine quality, with a JBL Audio Bluetooth amp.
Awesome. Tell me a little bit about the engine. Can we take a look at it?
Yeah. So in the engine compartment we have a 1800cc dual carb motor, completely redone from internally out. Everything that you can imagine was done. I'm still running a factory transmission because I just like to cruise, but I wanted something nice and something appealing, something that other people wouldn't expect when they see a car like this. And as we go into the interior of the car, you'll see that besides my son being in there having a good time, I have original 1960s car seats that he uses. All of my knobs are handmade by a gentleman in Japan, and pretty much factory all throughout. You see the stitching on the doors? They're to copy a 70s style Porsche interior stitching. Everything was done like we were talking about earlier, plaid interior from a 73, and everything inside the car is fairly new.
Awesome. Very nice looking beetle, man.
El papelito lo guardaré.
No, I never touched it, but when I put these bigger, remember these are 9 guns for 20, so they're bigger wheels.
Yeah, because mine's down about 3/4
Now they have all type of cars here. They have Corvettes, classic cars, muscle cars. They have everything. Now this is a beautiful patina 3100, and next to it is a beetle that we came to film. So we're gonna be doing a video of this car in a little bit, so stay tuned for that. This one too? Nice, man.
Honor to present to you the president of the Thunderbird Club of South Florida, Mr. Paul.
Hi everybody, welcome to our car show and thank you for coming. In case any of you are interested in joining our club, come to the tent and we'll sign you up. Also club members, if you want, you can come over and sign up for the auction. That's for club members only.
Now the bad thing about coming to this type of car events is that every time they play background music, I get a huge copyright in these videos. Now if you guys notice, I'm doing these videos as fast as possible because there are a whole bunch of cars, and if I do them slowly and I take my time, you guys will not be able to see them all.
Ahora estaba hablando yo con el chamaco del velero azul clarito y me estaba diciendo que le dijiste que no había podido sacar porque no la tenía con cinturón para la esquina, que el cinturón fuera 90 cocos y que cada tornillo de cinturón es $40,000.
Es una clase con un maldito eso. No van a eso,
only full by food, so we can try to tally all those
This is a 1970 Chevy Nova, and as you guys can see, it is for sale. So if you guys are interested,
balance by noon today, so we can.
there's the number 954-274-0051, $29,000. This Bel Air is beautiful. To me, this is one of my favorite letters. It seems like to be a 1955. 2 doors, no columns. This is 1955 or 1954, I'm not sure. But it's beautiful. Over here we have another Bel Air, 4 doors, sedan. Out of everything, out of all the cars here, this one is my favorite one. Chevy Coupe. This one is really nice. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram at Generation Old School. Thank you guys. See you guys on my next video. Goodbye.